This is Troy Hawk Videos, and we're going to solve a system of linear equations problem. If the total cost of 4 adult and 3 child concert tickets costs $520, and if 2 adult tickets and 5 child tickets cost $450, we want to find out the actual cost of an adult ticket and the actual cost of a child ticket. So in order to do that, we need to set up our system of linear equations. So for the first part of the question, 4 adult plus 3 child is equal to 520. That will be our first equation. The second equation would become 2 adult plus 5 child is equal to 450. Now, in order to solve this system, we need to eliminate one of the variables. So I'm going to start by eliminating the a variable, and we can do that by multiplying the whole equation, the whole second equation, by -2 in order to get a -4a. So here, when we multiply this second equation by -2, everything on the inside of it by -2, that will give us -4a minus 10c, and then it's going to be equal to 900. Equal to 900, -900, that is. We rewrite the first equation back the same as it was. Equal to 520. And now we can add to eliminate the a variable. 4a minus 4a cancels itself out, leaving us with -7c is going to be equal to 520 minus 900, which gives us 380, -380. Okay, then we continue by dividing off our -7 on both sides, and that will tell us that the cost of a child ticket is going to be equal to $54, approximately $54.29. So we have the cost of a child ticket. We just need to go and find the cost of adult ticket by substituting the cost of a child ticket back into the first equation and then solving it for a. So 4a was the first equation plus 3c. So instead we substitute in the place of c the $54.29 is equal to 520. So that was our first equation that we substituted that back into, the cost of a child ticket back into. So 4a, now solve it. 4a plus 3 times 54.29 gives us $162.86 approximately, is equal to 520. Then we want to subtract our 162.86 on both sides of the equation, leaving us with 4a is going to be equal to 357.14. Then divide off the 4 on both sides. So once we divide off the 4, that tells us that a is going to be equal to $89.29. So that's the cost of an adult ticket, and we found that the cost of a child ticket was $54.29. So now we know the cost of each ticket. And 54.29. Okay, well, have a great day and look for my next video.